what really struck us and why we went all in on this whole blockchain movement is we just realized there's a fundamental problem in the world.
With all the uncertainty surrounding Ripple today, what do you think will happen to its cryptocurrency's price? Will it soar to the moon, or would it follow a downward trend? Well, even experts find that difficult to answer, as the answer to that relies greatly on whether Ripple can win its case against the SEC. A recent tweet by market watcher Anaylist, with the Twitter handle 25 Hours Awake, said, "Prominent analyst projects $92.72 per XRP by June 14th. This is following news of the Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple submitting a joint letter requesting a one-week extension until June 13, 2023 to file public unredacted versions of their cross motions for summary judgment and accompanying exhibits. The joint letter encompasses the highly anticipated Hinman materials, adding to the intrigue surrounding the case as both sides prepare their arguments for a decisive legal showdown. The statement means that the involved parties in the legal dispute, namely the Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple, have submitted a joint letter requesting additional time to file public versions of their cross motions for summary judgment. This extension is sought to allow for the inclusion of unredacted exhibits, including the Hinman materials, which has been made public just a few days ago. Still, the extension would provide both parties with more time to present their arguments and evidence in an unredacted manner before the specified deadline of June 13, 2023. This request to extend the deadline opened the door to additional comments from the Twitter community, many of whom suggest that settlement talks may be in the works. Besides that, this also triggered predictions about XRP's price tag. In light of this, as Anaylist said, an analyst predicted that XRP will reach $92.72 on June 14th, a day after the specified deadline on June 13th. However, we all know that didn't happen. In fact, buyers shoved XRP down at 48 cents above the overhead resistance at 56 cents on June 13th, but they could not sustain the higher levels. Notably, the XRP price dropped below 50 cents earlier this month. However, it has since decoupled from the industry-wide bearish sentiment as it approached 54 cents in the first week. Whale investors appear to be at the forefront of the ongoing XRP price rally. That said, do they have enough in the tank to push for 60 cents? The SEC's conspicuous decision to exclude Ripple from its recent list of tokens identified as securities has not gone unnoticed by the markets. XRP holders are now increasingly bullish in anticipation of a positive outcome in Ripple's long-standing SEC lawsuit in the coming weeks. With confidence growing, especially among whale investors, will the ongoing XRP rally reach 60 cents in the coming weeks? By the second week of this month, Ripple price action appeared to have decoupled from the negative sentiment surrounding the broader crypto industry. Indicatively, while most altcoins lost traction, transaction volumes on the XRP Ledger network have continued to soar. Large institutional investors appear to be at the forefront of the ongoing XRP price rally. Indicatively, as total XRP network transaction volume rose, the whale activity increased simultaneously. Whale transactions are up a few days back, rising from 7 large transactions on June 3rd to 557 on June 8th. Whale transaction count measures the number of daily confirmed transactions that exceed $100,000 in value. When whale transactions increase, it provides market liquidity and puts upward pressure on prices. Also, given crypto whales' influence, other strategic investors could attempt to mirror their bullish trades. This could push the XRP price rally towards 60 cents in the coming days. Would that happen? Well, XRP has made several unsuccessful attempts to break above 55 cents. But this time, the bullish whales look set to drive an ongoing XRP price rally to a new 2023 peak above 60 cents. According to Santiment's market value to realized value data, most crypto investors that bought XRP within the past month are now looking at 7% unrealized profits. Historical trading patterns suggest that they are likely to hold out for 6% more gains before they start to sell around 57 cents. In light of this, if XRP can break beyond 57 cents, the bulls could push the rally well beyond the 60-cent milestone. Conversely, the bears could flip the narrative if the XRP price drops below 50 cents again. Nevertheless, a significant number of XRP investors will likely offer bullish support at this level, as they look to hold firm at the break-even point. Otherwise, XRP could drop much lower to the next significant support level at 45 cents. It is also important to note that the Ripple legal team is expecting a final judgment in its own case against the SEC in the coming weeks. A victory could provide a new positive twist to the ongoing price rally. Pending the much-awaited verdict, Ripple's XRP saw a downside correction from the 54-cent resistance against the US dollar in the past few days. It dipped below the 52-cent support zone and saw bearish moves similar to Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, the bulls were active near the 47.5-cent zone. A low was formed near 47.52 cents and the price is now rising. It trimmed most of its losses while ADA and BNB were tumbling. XRP surpassed the 50% fib retracement level of the downward move from the 54.11 cent swing high to the 47.52 cent low. Taking a closer look at a daily chart, once the XRP price hit the significant resistance at 55 cents, coinciding with the previous major daily pivot, it faced extreme volatility. This led to a rejection and a decline toward the 100-day moving average, located around 47 cents. Furthermore, a double top pattern has formed at the 55-cent zone, which indicates a bearish outlook for Ripple in the short term. Nevertheless, it seems likely that the price will consolidate within a range bounded by the static resistance region of 55 cents and the dynamic support level of the 100-day moving average, currently positioned at 46.5 cents, until a breakout occurs in either direction. A 4-hour chart in early June showed the XRP price retraced back to the middle trend line of the ascending channel. Subsequently, it initiated a bullish move in an attempt to surpass the 55-cent region. However, the selling pressure in that area halted the uptrend, resulting in a significant rejection toward the mid-boundary of the channel. Ultimately, Ripple's price found support for the second time at the middle boundary, which stands at 47 cents, and started another upward move. Nevertheless, it seems more likely that the cryptocurrency will consolidate within the range of the significant resistance at 55 cents and the middle boundary of the channel for the midterm. Notably, when the much-talked-about Hinman papers were released a few days back, Ripple's price surged past 55 cents. In fact, XRP price reached a 2023 peak of 56 cents after the much-anticipated Hinman speech documents hit media desks. Will XRP whales push for 60 cents once the recent development is fully priced in? For context, the much-awaited Hinman documents relate to a 2018 speech from former Securities and Exchange Commission Corporation Finance Division Director Bill Hinman, who essentially stated that Ether ETH was not a security. Early media reactions suggest the Hinman documents point toward an impending victory for Ripple in the long-running lawsuit against the SEC. In light of this, crypto whales are so optimistic about the impending conclusion of the case that they have already invested another $170 million in XRP in the same week the Hinman papers were released. After the SEC conspicuously removed Hinman's profile from the Commission's website, speculators believe that the document contained material information that could flip the case in favor of Ripple. Ahead of the Hinman speech document's release, on-chain data shows that crypto whales had already started taking bullish positions on XRP the week prior. A sentiment chart revealed how crypto whales holding 1 million to 100 million XRP bought 310 million new coins between June 10 and June 13. At the current market price of 56 cents, the fresh investment made by whale investors is worth $175 million. When whales invest such a huge amount, it indicates confidence in an impending positive price action. Additionally, the recent decline in XRP social volume suggests that the recent development is not yet fully priced in. Social volume measures the number of times a project is mentioned across relevant crypto media channels. XRP social volume has dropped by a massive 98% to 170 mentions at the close of June 12th, since XRP recorded 7,830 mentions a few days prior. That said, with XRP social volume still at a relatively low point, many stakeholders have yet to react to the recent market development. As more details of the Hinman speech documents filter across mainstream media in the coming days, the current XRP price surge will likely go on one leg higher. Still, if the bullish whale investors continue to buy, the XRP price could leap closer to 65 cents before retracing. With prices currently approaching 56 cents, crypto investors who bought XRP within the last 30 days are holding 10% profits. Considering the historical trading patterns, they will likely hold out for 5% more gains before booking profits around 59 cents. But if the bulls can clear resistance, the XRP price could edge closer to achieving the 60-cent price target. That said, an XRP price tag of $92.72 is really impossible to happen at this point, contrary to what HODL said in a recent tweet. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more.